Hi there, hope you're doing good. All right, so here I am with the second video of this Google Sheet workflow automation demo. And in this automation, I'll be explaining more or less the dashboard controls and how we are going to use it. In the previous video, I have explained how we are going to use the input sheets. And in the input sheet, we have added another control for the amount per unit for each code. And this amount will be used for the calculation of the costing rest. Um, Rest of these are already being explained. And the second thing was the template usage. So we have a template, a client, Adrian, and we have some entries on it. Let's go to the dashboard and see how it will reflect. Okay, so the first thing will be the selection of the client available. Currently, we have only one client available. When you will be adding another client, you need to update the chart and then you will be able to see the drop down for all the clients available. Then you need to select a date on which you want to see the data for. As soon as you will select the date, you need to select the check boxes to select which code you want to see online. So I'll currently show only 97153 and maybe a comparison with the 97155. So these are the two line plots. So these checkboxes are only for this. The dashboard is basically four parts. These intervals, the yellow input and the button is for the first part, the first chart. This chart is independent of any date or anything because whatever the client you will select, it will show all the checkboxes. With the selection of the checkboxes, you will be able to see the trend of the code distribution, the quantities used, and its remaining actual and use part. These are the first two part, and the second part is comprised of chart 3 and chart 4. And the control for chart 3 and chart 4 are on this side, on the lower bottom, lower left bottom. Here you can select a client. Let me show you. So here you can select a client. Sorry, you can select a code in here, and whatever the code you will select, it will show the distribution of the costing of that code. Let me select 97153. You can see the chart got updated, and here on this side you will be seeing the weekly amount for all the codes available in this interval. So this week, the date from 16 July to 31st August comprise of week number 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. And the total for all the 5 or 6 codes available in this date interval for the week number 29 is 4432.58. Similarly, for the week number 30th, 31st, 32, 33. So if I'm going to change the date interval back to maybe the end of July, so the only 15 days of the July. So you can see in the 15 days, we have 3 weeks. Some part of the week is in 29th week, 30th week, and maybe 1 or 2 days are there in the 31st week. So there are 3 weeks in this date interval, and this is the total for all the codes available in that particular week. On the next input here, you can select a particular date to see the cost for actual for that date. And here you will be seeing the highest and lowest cost for this interval, the date from July 16th to August 1st. This is the highest cost, this is the lowest cost is in this interval, and this is the total for the total for this particular specific code in the whole interval selected in here. And this is weekly distribution. So that is it for the update on this dashboard charts. Please do let me know if you need any further assistance or if you need any other chart or anything in your mind so that we can proceed accordingly. Looking forward for your review. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye.